In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to set your custom macros and calories in MyFitnessPal. The reason why we want to do this and it's important to do this is because MyFitnessPal is a great tool for tracking your macros and calories and making it convenient to track, but they're not very good historically at telling you what those macros are that you should aim for. They're not a professional trainer or coach, they're not a nutritionist, so you wanna get the macros that you should be aiming for your goals from your trainer or coach or nutritionist, or you're gonna have to do a little digging and do your own research into what they should be, because you doing 20 minutes of research is gonna be better than whatever they're setting you as the default macros. If you're new here, my name is Jesse Rosenthal. I'm a trainer and online coach based in New York, and I make videos like this every week. So if you find it helpful, definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. So let's get into it. It only takes a minute. You're gonna open up MyFitnessPal. You're gonna click on More in the bottom right-hand corner of the app. You're gonna scroll down to Goals and then select Calorie, Carbs, Protein, and Fat Goals. And this is where you'll be able to set your custom calories and macros. Now, depending on if you have the free version or the premium version of the app, it's gonna differ slightly on what you can set these targets to. So for example, if you're trying to aim for 200 grams of protein, if you have the premium version, that's no problem. You go to the macros, you select 200 grams of protein exactly. You can also select however many grams of carbs and fats you want to aim for, and you're good to go. But if you have the free version, this is what you're going to do. The free version doesn't allow you to select the exact grams. So you can't select exactly 200 grams of protein, but what you can do instead is select the amount of carbs, protein, and fats based on what percentage they are of your total calories. So you can toggle the protein column going by percentage until you get as close as you can get to 200 grams of protein. Now, it might not be perfect. You might end up at 194 grams of protein, and that's the closest you can get with the percentages they give. Or maybe you're at 202 grams. Either way, you'll have to kind of know in your head that, hey, I'm aiming for 200 grams of protein, not 197 like it technically says. So this is where the premium version adds a little bit of convenience, but the results that you can see from tracking your food, it's gonna be the same. So that's how you set your custom macros in MyFitnessPal. It only takes a minute. If this video helped out, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll leave another MyFitnessPal tutorial if you're really getting into tracking your food. I'll leave it up here that I think can be helpful as well on your journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you over there.